In this video, we will take a look at how to add activities like forums, assignments, and quizzes into your course. The first step is we want to turn editing on, and to do that, just click the Turn Editing On button here in the top right-hand corner of your course page. Then scroll to the module or section of the course where you would like to add an activity. When you click on the activity or resource link located in the bottom right-hand corner of that module, it will bring up a pop-up box with a variety of assessments and interactive options. When you click on the radio buttons beside an option, in the right-hand panel, it will provide you with a brief overview about that activity and also provide you with some ideas of ways you could use that activity in your course. For this example, I'm going to choose the assignment activity and then click Add. You always want to give your activity, in this case assignment, a title or a name, and then in the description box is where you want to enter the instructions for the assignment, letting your students know what you want them to do and any specific guidelines that you are requiring. As you scroll down, you'll also see an area here where you can add additional files. In the additional files section is where you can upload additional information to help them with the assignment, maybe an example of what you're looking for, or maybe additional resources to help them with the assignment. In the availability section is where you can set a date and time for the assignment to begin and end. Under the submission type section, you have two options. You can have the assignment to be an online text assignment, and you can even enable a word limit. And an online text assignment is similar to a Word document page that will open and allow the student to type in their assignment submission. The file submission is where you would require the student to complete their assignment maybe in a Word document and upload that file for grading. You can set the maximum number of files that they can submit, and you can even change the submission size per file. Under feedback types, depending on what you check here is the type of feedback comments or files that you will be able to provide back to the student. Under the notifications section, you have options here that you can choose from as far as notifying your students about their submissions. Under the grade section, you can also set the type of grade, if it will be a point system, and the maximum number of points that they can earn for that assignment. And if you've already set up your grade book and you have categories, then you can also choose which category to assign this assignment into. If you do not already have your gradebook set up, that is not a problem. You can always move your activities into their proper categories at a later time. As you can see, there are many options to choose from, and if you're looking at an option and you need some more information, you can always click on the question mark and it will pull up a pop-up box with more information. Once you have made your selections, you can save and return to course, or click on Save and Display to preview your assignment. And that's a quick overview of how to add an activity to your course.